got the meal plan. Ooh, it's sour. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. It's Sunday Reset. I got a list of things I need to get done today and I'm just gonna film and take you along with me. Starting off, we got cardio and abs because today I am starting another 6 weeks challenge. If you guys saw like my video, my weight loss update, I mentioned that I'm gonna be going into body recomp, but I'll be eating in like a slight deficit because there's still body fat that I wanna get off. I am counting calories. I feel great. I want to keep the momentum going. So I'm going to be getting cardio and abs done today to start off the week. I love starting on Sundays and then going into the week. I just feel like everything is just too much to start on a Monday. Okay, start on a Sunday, go get you a good long walk in, and then really get into like your lifting and stuff on Monday. Having my protein coffee to start the day. I don't really need a meal right now just because I'm like, when I go on my long walks, I don't need to eat. But when I go to the gym, I eat before I go to the gym. So I'm gonna drink this and then we are going to head on out. First, before I go on my walk, I am going to throw my couch cushions in the washer. I haven't washed these in forever. It's actually disgusting. I've had this couch since like 2016, 2017. I got it at Macy's. It's the Rider sectional sofa. This is the best couch ever. I just wish it came in like a beige or tan color. I want a bigger couch. We need a bigger couch. God damn. All right, cardio, abs, done. First check off the to-do list. But I got a package that I've been waiting to open with you guys. Hold on. I got this in yesterday, and it is from Thrive Market, who is the sponsor of today's video. So thank you so much, Thrive, for sponsoring today's video. Now, if you guys don't know who Thrive Market is, they are an online membership-based grocery store, and they are gonna officially be my go-to when it comes to healthy and sustainable groceries. If you're not new here, all last year, I really focused on weight loss. Like that was the main goal. But this year, the goal really is about eating better quality products. Because even though I do eat from home and I eat a lot of whole foods, when it comes to snacks, there's nothing healthy about what I've been consuming. We eat a lot of foods that are just like packed with so many ingredients that are just not good for us, not good for our hormones, especially someone like me with PCOS. There's one thing I'm not gonna do, I'm not gonna give up my snacks. So I'm gonna show you what I got. Grain-free tortilla chips, sea salt, and then I got some plantain chips, because if I got a salty treat, of course I'm gonna have a sweet treat too. I got the Q chocolate bar, and if you've ever had these are so good. This is the cashew butter one, Smart Sweets, so like gummies and stuff. So something else about Thrive Market is that they have the highest quality standards in the industry. They have an 100% non-GMO catalog with so many products. And these are products that don't include over 1,000 restricted ingredients. And with Thrive, they specifically seek out products and brands that follow ethical practices. So they really are committed to supporting people and the planet. I'm gonna show you some other stuff that I got. Extra virgin olive oil. When I have my sourdough toast, I put jam on it. So I just wanna get a better quality jam. So I just got this wild blueberry fruit spread. This is a pasta household. Organic farfalle. And Thrive doesn't just have groceries. They have skincare, they have cleaning products. I heard that their salsa is like amazing, so I did pick up some salsa to go with my chips. I need to get back to drinking my bone broth, so I did pick up some bone broth from them. And then lastly, this is not a grocery product. I'm really trying to work on growing out these eyebrows, okay? These eyebrows are just not it. I just picked up some castor oil. So with this order, I saved $51.95. If you are interested in trying out Thrive, of course, I have a discount code. Get 30% off your first order and a free gift that's up to $60. All the information will be down below in the description box. And thank you again, Thrive, for sponsoring today's video. I'm gonna put all these little goodies up and then we're gonna get to cleaning up. Ooh, it's hard. All right, so the kitchen is done for the most part. I still need to vacuum and mop the floors, but the vacuum is dead and I can't take care of the floors and mop the floors until I vacuum. Same goes for the living room. You know we ain't got no furniture in there. So there's nothing really for me to clean right now. I just need to vacuum and mop that area. Let's go straighten up my office and then we're gonna straighten up the bathroom. Neither one of those really need any deep cleaning. And then I'm gonna take a shower. did shower, some skincare, and I had a little meal and chilled for a little bit, but now it's time to get back to work. Couch cushions are dry, now I'm gonna put them on. After I do this, I'm gonna start working on our meals for the week. I'm gonna go in and figure out what specific items do I need from the grocery store and which ones we already have. I've done a couple videos showing you guys how I weigh out my food, but I feel like I've never showed you, once you plan out your meals, how to figure out how much of what. So I think I'm going to film one of those videos this month. So it'll be a full day of eating, but me breaking down everything, like how to figure out your calories, how to make your meals work with those calories. All right, I got my iPad here. Let me switch you guys around so you can see. All right, if you guys can see what's going on right here, I'm using the app called Good Notes. We got meal plan, pre-workout, we got protein coffee, oatmeal with blueberries and walnuts, and then we got post-workout, and then I'm going to have bacon, eggs, strawberries, and bananas. Okay, next up we got lunch, ground beef, potatoes, veggie blend. And last but not least, we got dinner. Chicken thighs, Greek salad. That is what it's looking like. Now I'm gonna go here in the grocery list and just add anything that I need from the list. Tomatoes, cucumbers, dill, red onions. This is what I'm working with. Got the meal plan, everything all set out, and then the grocery list. Back from the grocery store. I didn't end up picking up chicken and ground beef because when I looked at the prices in the regular grocery store, I'm like, I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna go to Costco. So it just wasn't happening. It made no sense for the amount and the price. So at some point I will go to Costco this week to pick up protein, just both of your items. Did end up picking us up some Chipotle because cooking dinner tonight is just not gonna happen. Because I'm still in on my plan. I got a kids meal, and it's just like a build your own kind of thing. I'm not gonna touch it yet because I need to wash my hands. But okay, let me show you what I'm doing to my Chipotle, right? So I got my 2 tortillas, black beans, rice, steak, corn, salsa, and then I'm gonna take my plain Greek yogurt and use this as sour cream, and then I'm gonna add in some of the little Thrive salsa because I wanna taste this. A little agua fresca. There we go. We got like a massive taco going on over here. I feel like it looks small on camera, but it's not. It's not small at all. This salsa is good. All right, I'm gonna eat, and then I'll be back to finish this reset. All right, I am crashing. The last thing I'm gonna do, I have my weekly planner here. Then all I'm gonna do is go in and plan out the content that I wanna shoot this week. I'm just really trying to be better with content on across all platforms and just making sure that I know exactly what I'm shooting, what days I'm going to shoot, what days I'm going to be editing, and then just getting things out ahead of time. Because for me, I'm usually just like shooting as I go. Like I think of an idea like, oh, let me shoot this, and then I'll shoot it. That's not working for me. And I want to be on schedule. I want to be on time with things. So I'm just going to be planning things out. Of course, as I come up with new content ideas or things that I want to post or photos I want to take in like a certain outfit, I'll shoot those as is. But otherwise, everything's going to be planned out. That's going to be end of this Sunday reset. It's been a long day. It's been a long day, but I got so much work done. So much work done. And I'm just excited to go into the week as a creator. Sundays are like Mondays. I'm going to wrap up this video here. Thank you again, Thrive Market, for sponsoring today's video. Again, everything will be down below in the description box. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you made it to the end of this video, stay tuned for more content. I will see you guys in the next one.